Hi everyone, in this Easy Redmine tutorial I'm gonna show you resource management. Let's start here on the global level. If I open resource management from the More menu, I get to resource management above all projects. Now let me describe how it works. Here I've got my users, like Elena, or some more users which are in the left column. Under each user, I can see tasks assigned to him and estimated time for realization. These tasks are displayed on a timeline like this. The estimated hours for task realization are summed up here in the user line. It shows me when the users are overloaded or underloaded. Let me give you an example. You can see that Lucas here is supposed to work 10 hours, 9 hours, and here 6 and 8 hours. You can change the start and due date of the task using the drag and drop feature. And like that, you can balance the workload of your users. Using the same drag and drop feature, you can also reassign the tasks. Just move them to another user. Now I have assigned a task from Lucas to Lily. You can also see unassigned tasks. These are tasks that have not been assigned to a user yet. You just need to drag and drop them to a particular user when he's free. Resource management can also be used for competence planning. Here I've got some predefined filters, such as consultants and IT experts. If I click on the consultants predefined filter, I see my consulting team and the respective trackers. I can show you the filter. You see that the trackers are analysis and consulting, and just some particular users are selected. Like this, I can see the resource management of my consultants. And again, I've got some unassigned tasks which I can assign to my consultants. If I click on the IT experts filter, I can see my programmers, and if I open the filter, I can see the respective trackers, such as feature programming or bug programming. And again, here I can see the resource management of my programmers when they are overloaded or underloaded, and then I can simply change the due date of the tickets, or I can assign the tasks to another user. You can also click on the particular task and change the hour allocation manually. After any change is done, you need to save it, just by clicking on the Save button. This was the day view of the resource management. There is also a week view of the resource management. If you open it, you can see the week allocation. This is the week work capacity, and you can see how it's utilized for a particular user. Here you can see that the user is overloaded for a particular week. I can also see this in a month view. In the resource management, there are modules for the personal homepage. Let me open the personal page example, and you can see that each user can have his personal resource management on his personal homepage. Just like this. This view is not editable, so each user can just see what is his resource utilization. Resource management is also integrated with Attendance plugin for attendance planning. Each user can plan his attendance thanks to this personal homepage module. Each user can plan his vacation or sick leaves, and after that these vacations and sick leaves are taken into account in the resource management. It is really necessary. This letter H means that a particular user has holiday. It allows you not to plan work for holidays. If I assign a task to a user during his holiday, you can see that 0 hours are allocated and the user is thus utilized. There are also resource management settings. You can change how hours are allocated for a particular day. You can also allocate it evenly. And here you can set the maximum work hours for a workday, or you can set the estimated time ratio. Changing this ratio means that the estimated time for the task is multiplied by 2 in this case, and the doubled number of hours will be allocated for the particular user. So this was a brief introduction to our resource management software. Thank you for watching.